Good morning, students. In our previous class, we have described the procedure of serum creatinine estimation. So today we are going to demonstrate the whole procedure, and you are going to see how this procedure can be done. And Mr. Manavendra Maiti will help us during this procedure. So for this serum creatinine estimation, we need 4 test tubes marked as B for blank, S for standard, T for test, and SN for supernatant fluid. We also need creatinine kit which contains L1, that is picric acid reagent, L2, that is buffer reagent, and standard. And we all know the concentration of standard of creatinine kit, that is 2 mg per deciliter. We also need micropipette and microtips, and we need one centrifuge machine for this centrifugation purpose, and we need colorimeter.
Today we are going to estimate serum creatinine from a given sample. For that we need a creatinine kit in which we have picric acid reagent L1, one buffer reagent which is reagent L2, and we have a standard 2 mg per dl concentration. To estimate creatinine, we need 4 test tube, one blank, one standard, one test, and one test tube to prepare supernatant. First, we have to prepare supernatant solution. To prepare the supernatant solution, we have to take 2 ml of picric acid reagent. So now I will take 2 ml picric acid reagent in this test tube. And now I have to take 200 microliter sample in this test tube. And now I have to mix it well, and it has to be centrifuged in 3000 rpm for 10 minutes. Now I am going to centrifuge this reagent and sample. To centrifuge this, we need another test tube filled with distilled water for a balance. Now I put this test tube at this side, and right opposite I need to put another test tube filled with distilled water, same amount, for a balance. Now I have to set this to the 3000 rpm, and now I started this centrifuge, and we will centrifuge this for 10 minutes. Now the 10 minutes is over, so now I have to stop the centrifuge, and we will take our test tube back. Now after the centrifuge, we have to take 1100 microliter supernatant to the test tube marked as test. So at first I will take 1000 microliter supernatant to the test tube marked as test, and then I will add 100 microliter supernatant to the test tube marked as test. Total volume of the supernatant is now 1100 microliter. Now I will take 1 ml of picric acid reagent to the each test tube marked as blank and standard. 1 ml to blank and another 1 ml to standard. Now I have to take 100 microliter of distilled water to the test tube marked as blank. Then I have to take 100 microliter of standard to the test tube marked as standard. Now I have to add L2 reagent, means buffer reagent, to each test tube 100 microliter. Second reagent, buffer reagent, 100 microliter to the test tube blank. 100 microliter to the test tube standard, and 100 microliter to the test tube marked as test. And now I will mix this test tube very well, and I will keep this test tube in room temperature for 20 minutes for incubation. So students, now 20 minutes is over. We have to measure and take the absorbance of this test tube. So I have to on the colorimeter and I have to set the wavelength in 520, and now I have to take the reading of blank. I put this blank test tube into the colorimeter and press this blank button. Now it shows 0. Now this is reagent blank. Now I will measure the standard. And the reading is 0.08. And now I will measure this test. And the reading is 0.06. Our standard concentration is 2 mg per DL.
Special thanks to Manavendra Maiti for his beautiful demonstration. So now we have the absorbance of the test and the standard, and we know the concentrational standard, that is 2 mg per dl. So like previous practical, students, it's your home task to calculate the concentration of this serum creatinine with the help of the reading. And in our next class, we will going to discuss about the result. Thank you.